The impossible puzzle. No, impossible. No, Impossipuzzle. It's a bit of a mouthful. The Impossipuzzle. I'm going to read this out. The 711 is one of a unique collection of jigsaw puzzles where special attention has been devoted to the challenging detail of the image. It's challenging, infuriating and frustrating fun. They lied. It is infuriating and it is frustrating and it isn't fun. I hated this jigsaw. In all my other jigsaws I've made, I've always ended up with saying, I really enjoyed this and I'll look out for more jigsaws in this vein. Nope. If I ever see one of these again, I ain't going to run a mile. So why did I buy it? Well, on the back of my enjoyable, very enjoyable Marvel Impossible Puzzle, see link in description if you want to see the video for that, I thought I'll have another go because I really enjoyed it. Didn't enjoy this one. In fact, at one stage I thought I'm going to glue all this one together so nobody has to go through the pain of doing it themselves. But no, I haven't done that. I'm going to give it back to the charity shop and let somebody else have some fun. Whilst I'm holding it like this, I've just noticed that I can't find out who the manufacturer is. Hoyle Productions from the USA, and it's been made in 1981, which makes it 40 years old. So for a 40-year-old jigsaw, I'm very impressed. When I started it, I could tell it was different. Brown cardboard. It kind of looks old. The pieces are very thin indeed, but incredibly firm. So it stood the test of time. 40 years old. I'm impressed. Apart from the picture, I hated the picture. Talking about the picture, even 40 years ago, they were putting big labels across the main picture. And honestly, when I was trying to find the pieces, I could have sworn blind that they were all underneath here. I just couldn't. I'd go along looking for a piece, couldn't find it anywhere, and I was sure it was underneath there. Yeah, going along did not work for me at all. The picture was pretty useless. So how did I go about this? Started off the usual way. I sorted out all the straight edges, turned everything the right way up, and then ran into my first problem, the straight edges, the edging. Let's make the edging. Picture here, edging out here. So this was useless for the edges. Good start. Oh, I did sort out, whilst I was doing it, I noticed there were coloured pieces, so I did sort out all the coloured pieces. So the next step was to do all the coloured dyes, and most of them I could tell roughly where they were, so I made little islands in the jigsaw of where I thought they should be, and then tried to join them up. I honestly couldn't find pieces to join in, so I go, all right, I need a two, but of course didn't know what shape. So I then sorted all the pieces out into what the main die number was. So if the main piece of the jigsaw was a 1, I'd do the 1s all the way up to 6. Didn't really help. It didn't help at all. In the end, the only way I could do it was to take a piece that I already knew would fit, and then just try it against all the other pieces. After I'd sorted them into 1s and 2s and 3s, that didn't work. I then sorted them out into all the shapes. That was easier for me to match against, because I could tell sometimes if it had two ins, 3 ins, you know, so I'd know which type to go for. Another thing about this picture, it's perfect. This is the perfectly taken photo of hundreds of die. There is no shadow whatsoever. and nothing is out of focus, so I couldn't tell which part of the jigsaw picture it was, nor the rotation. I was blind with absolutely everything. Frustrating. Another thing was that as I was getting on, I thought, the more pieces I get down, the easier it's going to be. No, it really wasn't. Even with 6 or 7 pieces from the end, I still could not tell where they went. It was just it's just hard work all the way. But I have learnt a lot about making difficult jigsaws. So let's get on with the video. Doesn't look frustrating, but it was. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more jigsaw puzzles, please subscribe. Ta-ra.